This will be a video chart on PSPW. Done this one, I think, at least 2 or 3 times, and had a bunch of people asking for it yesterday and the day before, and I just wasn't able to get to it. And silly me, I could have looked real good, but I nonetheless still want to get to it. What we're looking at here is the weekly chart, and I just simply have to go to this time frame because after the monster day it had today, we have to go back quite a bit of ways into the past history of the chart to find these supports, resistances, and stuff like that. So the weekly makes it possible to actually scrunch up the chart, and you can see here it's already over quite a long time frame down here. But it just makes it a little bit easier to kind of map things out. But this is the day or weekly chart, so just keep that in mind. It does look a little bit different than what you're probably used to seeing, but like I said, this was the best way to kind of tackle the chart. So let's just first start off with where the levels of support are, and the key level is going to be right here at $1, both technically and then also just psychologically. The dollar was a psychological resistance, and now that it was shattered today, it's also going to become a key level of support. And from technically speaking, you can see here acted as resistance a few times. Here acted as resistance. Right there didn't quite get up there, but close enough to see that right around this dollar range is a key level, or was a key level of resistance. And now that the price was able to close up above it, it's going to become a key level of support. The other and the must-hold level of support is going to be this orange line down here. This is the 200-week simple moving average, and I know that's way below where the price closed today, but that's kind of, if there is any downside to big moves like this, the downside would be it creates pretty big gaps in between the levels of support. So the support is all the way down here, but for the longer term players and people that want to play this for the overall chart, technically speaking, as long as the price is able to hold above this 200-week simple moving average, then the overall trend will be bullish. Now, I understand if you're a day trader, there's no way you would want to see it go down there, but like I said, that really depends on what your strategy is. Moving to resistances, really there's one key level that the price almost got to today, but I don't think quite hit it at $1.75, and today's high was $1.74, and this level is coming from this high way back here in 2009. And I should note that we're going way back in the past history, so I wouldn't live or die by these levels. They're just kind of, it is what it is. But if volume stays strong like it's been, I don't see this $1.75 putting up much of a fight. But just strictly from the chart, and that's why I'll leave this line nice and skinny, because yes, this is technically a resistance, but at the same time, I don't see it being some sort of big mountain that the prices wouldn't be able to overcome, with a proper amount of volume. So once more, $1 is going to be the key level of support, and then $1.75 is the resistance, and then after that, as far as I'm concerned, it's blue sky breakout territory. And some could argue, and I wouldn't necessarily disagree with them, that the price is pretty much already in blue sky breakout territory. But I was asked for the chart, so that's what I'm given, and that's going back in the history. This is what the chart's showing. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was PSPW. Thanks for listening.